Okay, well, here's my first attempt at making a cup of coffee with the DeLonghi Magnifica grind and brew automatically coffee maker. And I hope I haven't defeated myself already. The coffee bean reservoir up top looked like it was designed to be kind of filled to a level, and that's what I did. And in all the warnings against this, the 7 burn warnings and the electricity warnings, I missed the little warning that said only to use 1 measure, whatever that is, of coffee beans in the coffee bean holder up here. So I hope I haven't broken this thing already. And there's no way at all I can see to get the beans out of there. Really, that cage seems locked in place for some reason, and that keeps me from getting beans back out now that I've dumped too many in. So yeah, I've even looked in the instructions. There doesn't seem any way to remove this. It seems to be part of the unit, so I put in too many beans and I can't get them out. So here we go. I've made it through the instructions. That took a while, and I'm ready for my first cup of coffee. Look at that. I have no idea how much is going to come out. There's this level indicator here. The instructions say that I'm supposed to find out through trial and error how much coffee comes out of this thing. You'd think the engineers would kind of know how many fluid ounces the knob corresponds to, but well, I guess they don't. Well, let's see here. We're still making coffee. Is that it? Okay, well, interesting. It looks like the middle is about this much coffee. So this is great. I went from picking beans that I wanted right to a cup of coffee. That's nice and hot too. Here we go. That's pretty good. They say that it takes a few cups of coffee, about 5, to get it, optimal, for lack of a better term. But that's actually pretty good, and it happened pretty quickly. So there I go. Now I can start with beans and go right to a fresh cup of coffee. And I can drink it black. It tastes just fine. Great stuff. Good job, DeLonghi Magnifica.